Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to upgrade your levels in this Yieldality platform. But before I do that, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, and if you have not registered on this Yieldality and you want to know how this Yieldality works, there is a video I uploaded on my YouTube channel on how this Yieldality works. You can scroll down and find the video. Okay, so in this Yieldality there are so many ways to make money and to use the money that you made to upgrade. Okay, for some of you who have not deposited money in your Yieldality dashboard, that is the first thing that you're supposed to do, to deposit and upgrade to level 1. Okay, so that you start earning money daily. Okay, so once you're done with your registration, if you have not registered, I'm going to drop the link below this video. You click on it, it will take you to your browser. Okay, so after registration you come here, you click on deposit. Okay, you click on deposit. Then here the minimum to upgrade to level 1 is $5, 5 USDT. But I'm not going to just send 5 USDT. Okay, you're going to add something to it so that maybe after your exchange have deducted their gas fee, then your money will be complete. You have 5.1 or thereabout. So if you are sending, don't just send 5. Okay, you can type 5 here and send 5.2, or if you want to send 5.2 or 5.5, or if you want to send 20 USDT, you can just type 20.5. okay, then once you type 20.5, you click on generate deposit address. Okay, then you send exactly 20.5 to the wallet that you generated. Okay, so once you are done sending the money, you're going to see it here. Okay, you're going to see it here. So once the money reflects here, then you come here to upgrade. Do you understand? You come here to upgrade. So once you upgrade, you're going to be in level 1. Okay, you're going to be in level 1 once you upgrade with 5 USDT. Okay, if you want to be in level 2, you're going to upgrade with 10 USDT, or you can come to this matrix. You can come to this matrix and click and upgrade from here. Okay, as you can see, I've done my upgrade level 1. I've done my upgrade level 2, and today in this video I'm going to upgrade to level 3. Okay, so how do I upgrade? Like I said, I'm going to teach you different ways on how you can upgrade. Okay, first of all, you can upgrade using your deposit wallet, like this $2 that is here. You can actually join it with this one that is here, or with this one that is here, to upgrade. Okay, for those of you that have money in your deposit wallet and be thinking that is a waste, it's not a waste. Okay, you can actually join all your money together and use it to upgrade. Okay, upgrade is very, very important because it will make you to earn more money. Some people are already earning $1.5 daily, 1.3 to $1.5 daily. Some people are already earning that. Some are still earning $0.2 daily. Some are still earning $0.5 daily. And this project is a long-term project. Okay, it's a long term. So you take your decision and upgrade to a reasonable amount. So how do I upgrade now? Like here I have $1, and here I have $2, and here I have that's $1.5. Okay, So how do I upgrade? I'm going to come here. Is either I come down here to upgrade, or I go to matrix to upgrade. Okay, so instead of me going to matrix, I'll just come down here to upgrade. I'll click on it. Okay, so as you can see, I have $2 here, and I have 31.5 here, and I have $1 here. Okay, so if I want, assuming that if I want to join this money together to use it and upgrade so that they will take $20, I'll just tick all of them. This one is ticked. I'll just tick all of them to join my money together. So when I tick here, I'm actually telling them, okay, use $18 from use commission balance. Use $18 from commission balance and add to this $2 in my deposit balance. Okay, I can do it like that and said, okay, use $18 from my commission balance and join it to this $2 from my deposit balance and upgrade me to level 3. Okay, so but I'll just click on this one to use $20 to upgrade to level 3. Okay, so I'll simply click on upgrade. So I have upgraded. Okay, I've upgraded to level 3. So I'm going to refresh my dashboard now. As you can see, they have removed the $20 from my commission wallet, and I am now in level 3. Okay, I'm now in level 3. Okay, so my daily yield will increase from midnight. Okay, because it's always in the midnight they used to give us our daily yield. Okay, so I'm going to click on this notification bell for me to see that they said upgrade confirmed, deducted 20 USDT. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully upgraded. You know, in this Yieldality, you can actually make money if you take it serious. Always promote. Don't be afraid of sharing your referral link. Don't be shy to share your referral link with people. You understand? Because there are so many ways to make money in this Yieldality. You can make money by depositing and then be earning your daily yield. You can make money by promoting it, by referral. You can make money by compounding. That is by not withdrawing your money. As you don't withdraw, is increasing for you. That is the yield wallet, the money that you're making every day. If you don't withdraw it, it will be increasing for you. Okay, I'm not going to talk about everything in this video. I just talked about how to upgrade your levels in this Yieldality. Okay, upgrade is good though, so that you start earning a reasonable amount. Okay, you start earning a reasonable amount, because this project has come to stay. You people know how I've been announcing it in my WhatsApp group that I have a business opportunity that I'm bringing, and it's going to be a long term. So try to put in good money, upgrade to reasonable level so that you'll be making enough money. You just set your target from now to December. You are going to see how much you are going to make. Okay, in my next video I'll be teaching you how to withdraw. Okay, how to set your wallet address for withdrawal, and I'm going to do live withdrawal. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video like this, you will be the first to be notified. And if you're not in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp group link below this video. Join the WhatsApp group so that you'll be receiving updates. And if you're just watching my video for the first time and you don't know how to buy USDT, you can actually join my WhatsApp group. From there, you chat me as an admin. Then you tell me that you want to buy USDT. I can get USDT from my vendor and send directly to your Yieldality wallet address. Okay, see you in my next video.